Kate here at WTI, and if you're looking for a lamp to cozy up your space, this one from VOUTOORO is exactly what you need. So there's a few things I really love about it. First of all, the lampshade. It came completely flat and popped right into shape. I was really surprised by that, but now it just offers this really natural looking glow. So it's a nice shade, it's got that linen look to it, and it allows the light to filter through really nicely. The dark black rod adds a modern feel to it so that it ties in really nicely with my space. I like how sturdy it is. It doesn't tip over, it's nice and solid. Now, it has some really cool features. So you can change the warmth of your lighting. So you can go from a very warm light to a more cool tone. You can also adjust the brightness. So if you want it to be nice and dim, kind of like candlelight, you can do that, or you can brighten it up. There's a timer on here, and there's also a night mode. So this turns it nice and dim, just like a nightlight. All of that is controlled on this little remote, so it's right at your fingertips. So I absolutely recommend this lamp. It's not only very pretty to look at, it'll add an extra little something to your room, to your decor, but it's also packed with a lot of fun features. So I'm sure it'll hit all the marks for you, whether you're using it in your living room, in your office, in your nursery, your bedroom. This can go absolutely anywhere, and that's my point of view.